Hey guys, welcome to Rishaka channel guys. So guys, I'm uploading one video about the 404 error. So every time people are asking one question. So I'm unable to fix the 404 error in my website. First of all guys, your website design for which platform compulsory important. That is the compulsory should be to activate your particular website for the 404 option. So people how to sort out the 404 error, how we can resolve it. First of all, 404 error nothing but email people does not find out your particular page. So you got the 404 error. So in this 404 error, if you enter any page errors wrong something, they open for the home page or any other pages. That is called in a cPanel name is called .xtaccess file. .xtaccess file. That is the first important option. The htaccess file, how you can create your cPanel. First log in cPanel into file manager. The .xtaccess file code you can writing for HTML and PHP website. This is the code. This code anyone need, I'll share your particular information to your WhatsApp also. Or else you can easily find out for my website will be Rocket Tech Solution. Go to the blog option. We can find out the my code. Just you can search one option will be here. Here will be search and find out the code. No need to worry. Now in this website is nothing but countoflanguage.com. This website nothing but language translation. This will be the language translation providing in the states of the US, and what are the language they will be translate and interpreting service. They're providing for translation service like documentation translation, certified translation, website translation, legal translation, fast track translation, interpreting services, on-site, video remote interpreting, telephone interpreting, and conference interpreting. These are all nothing but what are the service will be provided. They all will be given in a particular count of language. This will be people will be looking for any language translation particular. They will be contact count of language. They're providing contact details will be your email ID and your particular phone number. So these all option will be follow this one. In this website, I getting will be error. Now I'm not design the blog page. I have 404 error. So people think as a different way. So that is the reason. If I'm not find out any page, the simple will be create .xtaccess file. So some people asking, sir, I'm uploading file into cPanel. cPanel, this file we can't upload. If you go PHP website or HTML website, any information, they can't upload the this option. So in this one purpose, this is the header file. Major thing is called this is the header file. See this one. The file will be can't visible by users. The reason this is a hidden file. First of all, enable show hidden folders. After this one is enabled, just click edit. Based on the website, the code will be here. If HTML here, only extension will be changed. Suppose your main page will be home.php, add the home.php. Your main page will be index.php, add the index.php. But follow instruction is important. Just copy, paste it, and update it. Now, previous blog is error. Now we'll be refreshing for home page will be shown to the customers. See this one. That is nothing but if I enter any wrong URL, they will stay will be home page only. The stay will be home page only. So this is a particular error will be fixed 404 error. No need to worry. Any website required 40 error code, I always send you a particular website. The file name is called .htaccess. Name will be you will be create the file will be here .htaccess HTACCESS. That file will be test document. You will be create, just edit the code, upload this code will be here. That is the code will be here. There is a PHP and a HTML website. So guys, follow this instructions and update the content your particular website. This is will be very important for forgery error resolution. So guys, HTML is the first option. Second will be PHP. Only extension will be changed. Any further inquiry, you can call to the contact my Rakesh channel, Distraka channel. I definitely will be support through anything code required. Go to the check. My code will be in the search box option. So this is a guys to resolve the 404 error and fix your website. Any further inquiry, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.